Is your Renault Clio's seatbelt alarm beeping incessantly, even when buckled? This usually stems from issues with the buckle switch, the occupancy sensor in the seat, or sometimes just quirky software settings. The goal is to diagnose which of these is the culprit. Start by visually inspecting the seatbelt buckle. Check for any obstructions or damage. Next, ensure nothing is on the passenger seat that might trigger the occupancy sensor. Even a heavy bag can do it. Finally, check your infotainment settings, R-Link or Media Nav systems, for any adjustable seatbelt alarm options. Experiment with disabling rear seat alarms, if applicable. If you still have issues, let's move on to the next steps. If basic checks don't resolve the seatbelt alarm, the issue likely involves the buckle switch, occupancy sensor, or vehicle settings. Start by examining the buckle switch, which often fails due to corrosion or wear. For deeper diagnostics, use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes. Look for B18A1, which indicates buckle switch failure. If comfortable with tools, test the buckle switch continuity with a multimeter. A reading above 5 ohms means replacement is needed, costing about $20 to $50. For occupancy sensor problems, perform a relearn procedure as detailed in the Renault service manual to recalibrate the sensor. If software glitches are suspected, check for over-the-air updates via the Renault app or visit a dealership, as firmware updates address false alarms. If all else fails, especially with wiring issues, consult a certified technician. Don't ignore recalls, like the one for 2019-2023 Clio models due to faulty seatbelt harness wiring.